Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start to make money by using dropshipping. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about dropshipping and how you can start using it to earn money online. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're brand new here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just start off by explaining what dropshipping is. So if you're completely brand new to what dropshipping is, it's basically looking for an item that is listed for sale online and then relisting that same item for a higher price on another platform. So a great example that most people get started with when it comes to dropshipping is finding a product that they can relist and sell that product on eBay. Now, I'll talk about this a little bit later on in this video, but what most people are concerned about when getting started with dropshipping is they think that it's too late to get started. They might think that it's oversaturated, there's way too much competition when it comes to dropshipping, but the thing is, there's people who are starting and stopping their little dropshipping business every day. Some people, they expect to get rich overnight by dropshipping and it doesn't work the way they expect it to, and they just give up after like a month of trying. So there's people constantly starting dropshipping businesses and there's people who are quitting altogether. So it's never too late. As long as you're dedicated and you're willing to persist and overcome obstacles that you're going to have to deal with when getting started with the dropshipping business. Now, as of right now, it's almost close to the holiday season, so this is probably the best time to get started with the dropshipping business because people are always spending more money during the holiday season. Now, the two most common ways that people get started with dropshipping is the easiest one, I would say, is through eBay, which I just mentioned. And the second option is by starting their own store on Shopify. So if you're somebody who's really limited on a budget, I would recommend starting off with eBay. Just create an eBay account and then look for products that you can find to dropship. So the common websites that people use for eBay is they find products to dropship from other websites like Walmart or Amazon. They just simply look for an item that is at a reasonable price or a low price and they relist that same item for a higher price on eBay. So the other most common method that people use to get started with dropshipping is by creating a Shopify store. So this is basically an e-commerce website using the platform of Shopify. So most people who start a Shopify store, they focus their store around a certain niche. So anything like, let's say you're trying to sell fishing equipment or sports equipment, you're going to look for a wholesaler that can supply these items and have them delivered to a customer whenever they buy them from you. Now, usually people who create their Shopify website, they find those products from Chinese wholesale websites like AliExpress or Alibaba, and they just relist those items on their website. And whenever somebody comes to their website and they purchase those products, they're going to contact the seller, which is going to be the wholesaler from one of these Chinese wholesale websites, and they're going to have that product delivered directly to the customer. Now, there's a few pros and cons about getting started with dropshipping. I would say the number one pro is that you don't have to invest a whole lot of money into having a bunch of inventory sitting in your garage or in your closet, just taking up space. You're just paying for products whenever somebody orders them. So you're basically taking the money that you receive from the customer and then you're using that money to purchase the product and have it shipped to the customer. You're just adding your commission on top of that. If you're getting started with your dropshipping business, you are going to have to spend some money in some advertisements to promote the products that you're listing. Or else, how is anybody going to find those products? Now, a couple of cons about getting started with the dropshipping business is that it's going to take a few weeks for somebody to receive those items if they're ordering those items and your supplier is from a Chinese wholesale website, because those items are going to be coming from overseas. So it's going to take about 2 to 4, maybe even 6 weeks for a customer to receive that item that they ordered. And usually people, they're pretty impatient when they order something online. So if you're going to be using a Chinese wholesale website, just make sure that you let your customer know that it's going to take a few weeks for them to receive their items. So another con about getting started with the dropshipping service is that you're going to have to deal with refunds and returns. Some customers aren't going to be happy with the product when they receive it. Sometimes it might come damaged when they receive it because it wasn't packaged properly. So one tip that I have for you guys is to just order one product for yourself as a sample, just to ensure that the quality is good and it's going to be packaged properly. So that way you're going to minimize the chances of getting refunds. Now, I've personally tried dropshipping through my eBay store. I haven't created a whole Shopify store and looked for products online from Chinese wholesale websites, but I've only dabbled in it a little bit through eBay. So, I mean, I would just recommend that if you're not somebody who has a huge budget to invest into paid advertising or just to invest into marketing. So, I just wanted to quickly explain how you can use dropshipping to start earning money online. So, since the holidays are coming up pretty quick, hopefully you guys can take advantage of creating your own Dropify business, your own Dropify store, and start earning some extra money. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, just check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it provided you some kind of value. Hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.